In this video, I will show you how to replace the timing chain tensioner on 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the engine compartment and visually locate the damaged chain tensioner on the passenger side of the engine. 3. Loosen and remove the two nuts holding the damaged chain tensioner, alternating a couple of turns at a time on each nut using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. 4. Once the two nuts have been removed, proceed to remove the damaged chain tensioner by pulling it out by hand. If it is stuck, pry it out with a small bar or flathead screwdriver. Note: pay attention to the location of the temporary retaining pin or clip when removing the damaged chain tensioner so that it is easier to install the new tensioner in its original position. 5. Clean the surface where the chain tensioner sits using a clean towel before installing the new tensioner. 6. Lock or position the temporary retaining pin or clip of the new chain tensioner in the resting position before inserting it into its original position. Pull the small clip located at the base of the tensioner and simultaneously compress the tensioner completely inward with the other hand. Once compressed, engage the clip in the corresponding place as shown on the screen. 7. Apply a thin layer of O-ring grease to the O-ring and slowly insert the new chain tensioner into its original position, making sure that the temporary retaining clip does not accidentally disengage prematurely. 8. Install and firmly tighten the tensioner retaining nuts according to the specifications described in the owner's manual, alternating a couple of turns at a time on each nut to ensure the seal seats correctly. 9. Temporarily place the gear lever in the neutral position so that the engine can rotate freely. 10. Rotate the crankshaft pulley slightly in a clockwise rotation using a ratchet and a 15mm socket. This will help create tension on the chain and automatically release the temporary retention lock on the tensioner. You will hear the tensioner move and activate automatically. 11. Start the vehicle's engine so that the hydraulic system can automatically load the new timing chain tensioner. You may hear the tensioner working dry for a few seconds. This is normal and will normalize very quickly. That's how simple it is to replace the timing chain tensioner on 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla.